once in a while you're going to get a question that you kind of have to piece together a little bit, but you've got the tools to do this, so we can do it. Now, the first example on page 95 gives us POF, poof, 3. So 1 phosphorus, 1 oxygen, 3 fluorine. And it tells us that we have 0.350 liters at STP. At STP, that means we can use the 22.4 liters per mole if we need to. And that much weighs 1.62 grams. And I've gone forward and figured out the empirical formula of poof by going phosphorus is 31, oxygen is 16, fluorine is 19, but there are 3 of them, so that makes 57. So we add all those up. And if we simply had 1, 1, and 3, then we would have 104 grams per mole. Now, the trick is that we don't have the molar mass. We have to find the molar mass and then compare it to this empirical number. So what we have to do is go back here and go, okay, molar mass is grams per mole. So I have to use the information I have to set it up so that I end up with grams per mole. So to do that, I'm going to look at the information that I was given and organize that. Now, there's not a lot I can do with the grams. I need the grams on top. So I guess we can just go, all right, well, I'll start with the grams, 1.62 grams. The grams needs to be on top, so I know that that's in the correct placement. And per mole, I mean, I need moles on the bottom, but I don't have moles on the bottom, I just have liters. So how am I going to get those liters into moles? Oh, wait. Moles per liter. That's that. The STP thing gives us 22.4 liters per mole. Good. There's the grams per mole, so I've put the moles on the bottom. This is going to give me grams per mole. I've got that thing that I can use. 22.4 liters. But now I have to get rid of this liters, right? I don't want liters. But I have 0.30 or 350 liters at STP, and that is what weighs this. So I can put that in here with the liters on the bottom, 0.350, but I need it to be a fraction. Well, any number is a fraction over 1, so I can just do that. Yay, it's a fraction. So now I've got my liters cancel out, my grams per mole will remain, and this should give me what I need for grams per mole in terms of my molecular molar mass. So I'm just going to check the numbers here real quick. Your book does it a little bit different because it does it like one step at a time. So I'm just going to run through my calculations and make sure I've got the same number they do. And then divide by 0.350. Well, look at that. My calculations tell me that I've got 103.68 grams per mole. So, given the fact that I only have 3 significant digits anywhere here, my answer should only be in 3 significant digits, so here I'm going to round it off. Oh, wait. They're an exact match. So that means that I don't even have to, I mean, I could divide. I could go 1 over 4 divided by 104 gives me 1. Yay, 1! Now I'm going to multiply that by, yeah, it's all the same. So basically we just confirmed that yes, in fact, it is POF3. We don't have to do anything with it because the the molar mass of the molecular formula is the same as the molar mass of the empirical formula. Therefore they match.